Man, glory be to the most. I give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. You take what you take and go do what you do, you know. You over there go and put in some work as usual. So watch a movie. We talk about it later. Later was greater.
Booking with GOTG is really easy. We take care of everything basically, from our delicious 5-star food to stunning decor. We've got a selection of photo booths, DJ equipment and more. And if there is something that we can't provide, then we can connect you with the best service that's going to help bring your event to life. On the day, we've got everything covered. We look after everything from setup to clean up, and you guys will really just be able to focus on, you know, enjoying your event and celebrating with your guests. So yeah, make sure that you book with GOTG and we will take care of the rest.
Yeah, yeah. It goes on and on. It goes on and on. And we keep on approaching the pressure. And we holding on. We're here to win it. You're glad we're in it. Have you seen it? It is miracle happening in the front of your eyes. Tell me you don't see it. Don't you believe it? Yeah. Didn't you receive it? Yeah. We're unstoppable. Unstoppable. Yeah. Unstoppable. We're unstoppable. Can't hold us down, can't slow us down, no way. We're here to stay, we're here to stay. I hope you hear that knocking, I hope you hear that rocking. It's the tinging of the clock. And we keep the people rock. Cause we keep on doing our duty straight from the clock. So if you're ready, come on. Don't slow down, come on. It's time for the comeback. And we're solid as a rock, yeah. We may be down, but we're never out. We may be down, and we're never out. No for run them out, what them talking about. We beginning to the end. I hope you take the time to comprehend that we're here to stay out. Oh, and remember that you're not sleep. And I know me not touch no from last week. What you did it now? Trying to be my friend. I've no time for them though. No time for them though. We keep it simple, cool. I watch a girl them dancing. Watch a girl them dancing. And who cares? Summer is here, yeah. Summer is here. Oh, no.
Well, I'm trying to hold up. Yeah. What are they? Yes, baby.
Yes, I love you. You walk on the other side, man. I want to feel you.
Okay. Feel me, baby. And only that one I feel. I feel everything.
Everything.
Don't do that yet. Not on the road. You want to go in the bush?
You feel everything that it me I do.
Yeah, no more about that.
Alright. Is it fast for the man?
Because it's not functional right now. No. I can't wait underpants. I have to breathe out.
Breeze out. Lift me up on it. Lift me up on it. Lift me up on it.
I want to mind you lift me up too. I love you.
Okay, honey. Hold the phone on
You
it.
can lift me?
Yes, honey.
Okay, baby. Oh, God!
I can't manage your hand.
You can't manage. Oh, I love you, you're so
I love you.
Whoa. Kayla. Kayla, girl.
What?
ask me that, you know, and I will say, oh, you did for some morning or something.
Oh, sorry. Morning. Kayla there?
I don't want it. No, no, Kayla not there.
Is she not there?
No.
Oh, I see me the counter still, so. Anyway.
So I walk on with Kayla.
Then my woman, I must look for her.
No, then you don't want me.
For what?
No, you don't want me.
What me did you?
Maybe a woman.
No, I'm not cheat. Anyway, when Kayla come to me and say boyfriend come up here,
You
yeah?
can't tell her nothing. If I want to do that, they have call tell her you left vice me. I don't tell her nothing. You look like a mailbox too.
I never see your mailbox.
Okay, so come out to me with a message if you don't want me. Come out to me.
You know, see your face like your mother do. But anyway. And, oh, let me stop it. You know what?
I don't want you here, so. If you don't want me, I don't want to beside me. Goodbye.
I don't need you.
So go out there now, you're still in my yard for.
Tell Kayla to call
Me
me.
not tell her nothing, go on about your business.
Phone. Tell her for phone.
If you don't want me, then you don't talk to me. So if you want me, you continue to chat to me.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, you don't want me, bye.
Alright.
Oh, say how you look so girl. So ball, ball. Eh? Look how long me tell you if you clean up a little meat and you have this other thing about man. Eh? How old you take for look how you little chicken? My back side. What you mean me not understand? What? So explain yourself. What is the problem?
Hey man, he just did it on this girl. This girl want him, I don't know why. He must know.
So you must know why you. So you did over one man.
Like a hug.
Yeah, broken. Show me this further, God. Anyway, don't stress out too much over the one man. If that man feel love you, he will love you. But me I'll tell you something about one bush.
Whatever bush.
Give me him love bush.
There's something they not real.
One a real.
Love bush, but not love bush.
You
What
know
bush
no-
I go do?
Oh,
The
you
bush
did-
can't change somebody.
You just ban tapping eyes. Well, you know, I love bush. I want bush where anytime you pick it and you spit on it, talk, say what you say, chew it on bush or ground or on tree, anything. And it just start grow. Anything where you tell the bush, say, whether you love the man, you want the man to come to you and you want him to love you forever, anything at all, it will go work. Me go carry. Me carry go show you the bush and make you do it.
Yeah. I feel no work when you go.
It will go work.
You don't have to work. How you know so one bush I go on?
Because me have proof. How you think me get your
Proof
father?
how? Me don't
And that the
know.
bush they me use. Somebody tell me about it and me go try it and it work.
Put on down now to see I'm not
No dog no dey son or no post. Listen, it a go work. Just believe say it a go work. You understand me? Me and you go and me go show you how to do it and make sure you say you do it the right way. It a go work. Clean up your meat and when you're done come out. man.
But are you already doing it? Because I have
You know, say I have no idea about my daughter. I'm going to tell you something. You know the reason why I care go all the way to that place if you get the bush? Yeah? Because this bush is very powerful. It has meaning.
Yeah.
And a true life story bush this. Reality. You see them if a ball in there where you ball and they tell me about this man. How you love him and him in the go like he don't love you. You don't know if the man love you. You have to go make it sure say yes, me love you so the man can put out more love to you. Through this bush where you have. Hope they suck. I mean, I want to hear no more ball in front of you. Every day you come home, they tell me about mommy in the this and me they call him and he not answer and he look like a woman he have. Through this bush, make sure say you spread it out on top of that tree there. And when you throw it on it, a matter of fact, before you throw it on it, spit on it. Spit on it. Yes, spit on it and throw it on it and say, you will love me forever until death do part. We will never left. We are go there forever. Wait. No flinging no man, my daughter. Listen. Hold this. No, I feel you. I'm going to carry for you. So you go make sure you sprinkle it more. You go right up your succumb. And talk to the bush.
Yeah. You will love me forever.
Spit
until that do us part. But we spit on it already.
Spit on it again.
Yeah.
Spit on it again. Right. And sprinkle it over it. Watch out. Go take you. Look what kind of crosses that you're going to do now. You're not listen to me. Wait and do over there so. You have to listen. You see if you don't say it back over, it now go work.
Alright.
Say it back over and
you will love me forever till that do us part.
Spit on it. Throw it up on the tree. Good girl. Alright, maybe stay there so. But let me tell you something. Now come back here. No come back round here. You see where there?
Yeah.
Alright, that's where you go.
Right.
That means say the man have your heart and him have fear. Yeah. And I go fear man forever. I do alone him and go love. You hear what I say? Now look back at you. Walk straight and go like back where you come from. Yeah. Where you go buy?
Clothes.
What kind of clothes you go buy now?
I don't know, I just want to buy some clothes, spend it on one smell.
Then look how much clothes you have paying
No,
and
I
where you
don't
want to buy
have
more
clothes.
clothes
What
again.
them here? Where the man see me was, hey little boy.
Okay. Alright, so you have as much money to buy clothes as you have to buy? Yeah, but that's still ongoing. You're going to stand up right just and wait for it. Alright. You say you want to talk to me about you know.
I don't even know.
What you mean? Cause me here and chat about things now work out and like you can't wait. What you talk about? What you say?
Like we can't wait for one boy to listen.
Yeah. You know you confuse yourself.
Who do?
Remember I said, I don't know, long time, you act like a 1 year ago since you threw the love bush pan the tree.
I feel like you would have started to time.
A good little while, but you have to have little patient.
Wait.
Wait. Have little patient. You can't rush yourself. When if you work, you work, but it's going to work, you just have to believe. Just ease yourself and believe, man. Don't worry yourself. You know what I say? I'm going to come out on the road still.
Where are we going now?
I'm going to one of my friends here. Yeah. Me and my sister know that one on good term. I don't know if I know say she. I call her phone and she not even answer. But I try to listen up at night. Yeah, still so till we come.
So take up a full box now.
No, sit me in there when we come home at morning.
Well, take your phone Friday.
Not trouble, make it stay right there so. No, I know hands going in and no fly alright.
Girl. How you look so?
How you reaching?
Me step in, you see that? Me step up, me step. Me had a pred out. Fix on the step, man, you look black.
Buy me some black and I can fix it.
No, man, throw some cement pan him, man.
Buy me cement and then me fix it.
Girl, you have money. So, why you look so come here because you look sad out? Me man there.
I don't know, it's saying I'm my friend them. How you look so happy?
Come, things are going for me and my man. You didn't know, say buy one car. Buy one little Toyota. At least you want a little big alright? Right. But you love the scooter, so you want a scooter. You know, say, you know how much want a scooter?
Half a mil.
Yeah, half a mil, girl. So things are going for me, man.
Yeah, man.
You must spend for me, girl. Tomorrow, I can go shopping.
Where you buy?
Clothes.
You know clothes already?
No, I need some new hot girl clothes, some new sexy girl clothes to make me bumper stand up in them. And then go for dinner after. Oh,
Stand up there.
oh.
What go stand up? Where? What?
We go back clothes to make me bumper stand up. We go sit under there, girl.
Sit down back.
I don't
know which dopey dream you tell about you have bumper fit stand up.
Because I'm going to buy clothes to make you stand up.
And I think you buy.
Why?
You don't have nothing to put in it, so don't buy it.
Me go buy some
money.
clothes, said we.
Well, buy your clothes then.
So, what I want for you? You have
No.
to get a man? Kind of from me
girl,
know you never
nobody
get a
know
man.
me.
No.
Eh, nobody know me.
Yeah,
You just see how me look.
Man, know you don't want somebody. And maybe you don't want them.
Nobody know me.
You don't ugly and tree don't crash in your face. If you put out yourself out there right now, so I say, come on with me on the road. Come make one of the bad party them.
Tomorrow, may wait, bad party I keep tomorrow?
Yes.
Or tomorrow, may I have a party?
Me I a party. And you know what?
What?
You see, me feel like say, you know say me never say when a young man, me think you like your old man, them want can't let her keep on the road, you know. Want a bad can't let her keep on the road, girl. Just put her when your mother frack them.
You know fit chat, you know. Cause you want me to tell you something? You find your man on top of people graveside, you know, and yam free food, you know, so you know fit chat, you know. You love homeless people.
You have money now.
That's what
me
no.
take you up on your money.
So long
my
you have
cute,
money.
nice, sexy man. You have money.
Okay.
Okay, you don't have no man. And my man cute and sexy. Me come go my yard. Me need come look for you to see if you come and candlelight with me.
Yes, when you come.
Put on a nice sex. No, put on
Me
your
not
mother
have
dress.
no. Me not. Me mother not have no dress.
Put on something big and come. You know see the older man them like.
No, they love.
Put on when your mother G-string them on forward, girl.
When me do. Put it and twist it around me and haul you up again.
Yes. With the two party take them out the door.
You think
Yeah, girl.
you think me a gecko? You think me a idea?
Yeah.
Andy, hey now on whole dog. A night time afraid on the day.
Oh, dog can't say. You can't flash with the blackness.
Open the door quick for me.
You do a pull dog. Which one is the dog? Oh, I look up in her and fun.
Lads, I'm afraid. I know make it worse when I live by the church cemetery. Why? You alright, baby? Good.
What you doing by yourself tonight?
I pass. I'm say make me come look for you. Your mother there?
No, she's not there.
Alright.
Cause you always ask that question. How you don't want to see her yourself?
No, I want to see her. Of course, I'm a sister. I want to come see you.
You don't want to come see me because I want to know why you don't visit me as much as you used to do. Every year you barely come here and me have to always come to your yard. Like say, you're going to see nobody running for you.
Oh God, hush. No, man. Actually, me always depend on the hustle.
What
And between you and me, you're a big girl now. Me know say you always ask that the question. You know say me and your mother never deal in a dealings for a long time when I ain't talk. Me did have my good husband. And your mother, well, she confessed afterwards and told me say she used love bush.
We don't hear the story but we don't believe in it. Which bush can make somebody love you? A bush can control your heart?
Me don't know about that. Me don't believe in that neither.
Me neither.
But all me know is the fact is, your mother take my husband and I say make you come. If you give it still, you know, her blood thicker than water, but
You sound like you sound like you forgive but not forget.
well, I forgive, yes, but me not forget. So sometimes it hot and your mouth, you know how your mother mouth turn already, so.
Well, you can't find a new ones too. You know how to you. Yeah, so I think if you forget now. I think if you live with it, I go kill you.
Kenna!
What, sis?
Hold on.
Yeah, I'm there. I'm going to come pass and look for you.
Oh God, I'm tired.
And where can they come from?
I know me first.
Are you there at the gym again?
Master, they not kill me with liquor down there. But they don't know send me a real rum. They can't jump me. They think they can style me off of me and them sit down and play bingo. And me set me $1,000 upon you. You know say Bigfoot dirty girl way down there so. When you Rebecca. That cut me money, you know her.
Yeah, man.
You get same girl when teeth for
Yeah,
jazz
man.
them the time
Yeah,
I
man,
fight.
after the line.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
big fight downtown, like big tone. Yo,
Tell me,
they put down me $1,000 upon the table. The girl fi put $1,000. Everybody put on $1,000. You don't know say girl put 5 bills on there. She put $2 $500 you know, and that style make everybody stay at $1,000. That's when they now look but me see her now. The girl take up $1,000 back you know. But to a $2 $500 nobody now pretty think everybody else have one hard $1,000. You don't know say girl take up the $500 me see. And I create one piece of excitement on me, but true she said them not see. But me see, but the reason why she thinks that, you know, really see where she are going with, and because she think me drunk and me drink and me under the high in a man. Yo,
Tell me say your boss her backside.
a big fight going down there.
Why? I me miss it.
Because she thinks that you me a drink and a frost and a go on with me say, because you know me frost still, you know, but me not that
You know,
drunk
fool
when me
with it.
not
Then the must.
Hey, if you see the girl slip on me bill around her back. Yo, listen to me now.
Yes. Bye, coach.
Right now, it's
And under it.
Look at I sense me in that, you know.
Yeah, man.
Really
Turn up.
listen, Jamaican.
Turn up.
Have the strongest weed in the whole world.
Straight.
Me I tell you the truth, girl. It worse how me beat him up and then I me win the bingo. Me get the 500,000.
Celebration.
Yes. Me get the 500,000. The man now send it to me account. Yes. Can me win it? I have 500,000 with the bingo. Sitting where we are bet for. Somebody win one mattress. Me win one 500,000 and somebody win one car. Me win the 500,000, but me tell them send it to me account because it was so me and the girl they fight. Me don't want to send man.
No.
To come rob me
and you don't want she know the time when it's in your
hand.
hand.
Mad when me promise her to carry her out and sit go treat her. Girl, me alone give her thing out there.
Oh,
me
God,
glad this place still had one you know, friend from a long time, you know.
Don't
But,
say what
you know, if I leave one another and sit, but everything just happen. I never made it still. The man them fi know so if you keep them thing in them thing.
No,
You
every
understand?
time you bring that up, it just
Keep
so
them thing when them thing where
dash
you
that
keep
one,
and go on. But me mind tell me say, you know, say for other night me a dream and sit and say, you don't really forgive me, you're just an actual man and sister. But
You know, so
it's
you
all
don't
good
walk
still.
straight.
Yeah, because my dream say I walk and I tell people say I need to take away your husband, you know, girl. But then I tell her, alright, go on.
Alright, baby.
I told she have sinus and so my mommy did tell her for a long time. And me did care about a doctor about the medicine then done. So anytime it has scratch her, she has to you know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Yeah,
you know
man,
what I mean?
you know.
Anyway, sis, just forget about them sitting there. You know, she can't come in at the picture. Your niece.
Yes, I'm a lover.
You know, I did feel man first, but I just say things sit still. So, me can go, oh man, I know if I want to take him, I take him. I don't know.
No, it is a good time
me
for
a
that.
dream say I walk and I tell people, man. You
No,
you
man,
talk
you know
about
what?
it a long time.
Me forget about that. But you for pray
You want me to
because
get on and then you
your
just take him?
conscience will lick you.
Eh? I don't know, you know, we can't, I don't know.
No,
The
man,
same thing
no,
when we do,
man.
you can't do it
But
back.
you know, say it's your conscience,
And look
man.
at me
must
now
say
go
your
forgive you. I
conscience.
mean, one walk and tell people say take me man. Me I go look for a man. And when me get him man, just take him and me act like me not know say I take
No,
him.
son, me no want for your man.
What me?
Cause you love flat body man.
Yeah.
And me love
So
a
big
man.
back, mine where you talk
Hey,
about no
hey, yeah, you know.
Listen to me, I say, yeah, let's say there's something there.
Me
you know.
want a good fit man for hold on to. And when me wrap her arms around him and him wrap him arms around him, want get lost in anybody.
You might have shit in your hand, nigga. Cause me no know where you talk about you
And
want
I'm
hold on to a
backside
man.
now, hey.
Man backside, yeah, idiot. That be nice, man. So where you going? Do you care for me? How long you come over here, so?
No, not long coming now. Come about maybe 10-15 minutes ago.
So you don't care nothing, I tell her or something you come to look.
My presence is your presence.
You know, I love to see you, my sister. I love to see you, man.
love
You
to
know,
see
no
you.
mama no me can't take for you. I saw if you leave, And so we still live, we stay in the family.
Make we do it.
We stay in the family. So if we do a man, you can take him to, but me bust up your face. Me not run no joke with me, man.
You love the
Me
old
not-
man them.
Yeah.
And you love the Maga man them with the blue one. Me not love that.
Me like Maga man, you like it tall, slim. Hey, me like it tall, slim man them. Yes, we have body but not fat like a fat big belly man them we are
No,
talking.
no fat man me love, but I want to have bone. You see when me hug man, me no want to feel no bone except where the bones
I love
supposed
you,
to
my
be.
sister. I love you, man. You right now, bless up yourself. You hear?
Alright, me I go
Alright.
run because you know see me free the night
I'm
already.
kind of frost. Me want
Yeah
lie
man,
down
yeah
a little bit, you
man.
know.
Follow me now, come in, let me free to walk past the cemetery man. You know me free the duck here already. Follow me the man.
Alright, come and do one lie down
I'm
a little
afraid
bit.
of the cemetery man. I'm afraid of rolling calf. Me don't want rolling calf come back.
Really, Charmaine, hold on there. You see you go on. I see him thing him man tell me, you know, that's why I take him from you. You know like big woman.
Sure man, come follow
You
me.
know like big good man, you know. Hey. You're just what afraid of dopey.
6 grand o'clock, yeah.
Yeah. Cause I don't know why you feel like you have to come over my yard, go to my head. Why you suddenly want to my head?
Girl, me dey want to talk to you. You want to release the pain.
Alright, release your pain.
You didn't know I said this man, mean. Me didn't know I feel my man. He like something lick him in the head like one lightning striking, busting forehead. Harry skull. Something lick him in the head, man. Can you know why?
What?
This man in the man snap at me. Must be coming to make no breakfast. Nah, my like me get up and make breakfast. Then I say, oh, me big and lazy. I'm not want to make no breakfast. Mommy I say, you need to course. Because I say, Kayla, make little breakfast or rare. Because you know say I'm not a morning person. You start move sideways. Then if you go up on the dinner. Then go up on the dinner. You know to pay me attention like one time. If you carry me out this tonight and you know carry me out. Oh, you know treat me like, no one if you give me one.
I don't think so. Maybe how you did a boss with them one night. I don't think so. Maybe in stress. I go
What could I stress him?
I don't know, girl.
If you
Remember,
talk
man, no
to
like
him,
talk
man.
about the stress. So you say maybe in stress. You so come back to normal.
Yes,
I believe.
hopefully, cause
Yes,
if you look like saying, give me money now.
yeah, me
Go
help you.
fix
Me
it.
help you.
I
beat
ain't
the
can't
girl.
catch you that my man. You bust up their head.
Yeah, girl.
The
me
business
help you
want
beat the
who?
girl. Me
Cause
neither.
my man, when he need broke, nobody in look for him. Now he look something.
Everybody.
Everybody want him.
Yes.
So no, you know.
Right.
I'm gonna look sugar plum.
Yes. Look at cherry sweet.
Yeah. Everything alright. But every time you come over here, your mother gone.
A gambler, you don't know say a gambler ain't gonna do a Rebecca gonna gamble. You see ain't gonna know else.
She want to look at help.
Me know. You want psychiatric evaluation. You want Jesus. Yeah, boy, you want everything. Everything. Sometimes I feel like say at this point I don't want addiction. I feel like I fear blood.
So she not juice in the fridge.
One juice in there.
So you can look for me.
I feel it would fear the man. I can't trouble
So,
it.
so what to me? I don't want nothing to drink.
Make your man buy you. I don't think you say your man have money. You come over Port Peter, you have to come home. How that work?
Yeah. Are you? How comes in on a man?
Because
What man?
no want me. I mean, I want to look no man. I don't want to look desperate.
It's not desperate, I'm a child.
How you be then?
If you lock up in your house whole day and whole night, you're not going to get a man.
Well,
You got to put yourself out there. So still on your yard 24/7 in your little boy shorts and things you go and get man.
girl, just
Put
check.
on tight up
When
tight and go there.
when the right one come, then he shall come. And I feel like more force up myself on a swallow. When he reach, he reach.
I do like your mother.
What?
You could know me here I go around with him. And his sister, I do like him.
Me go and try, man. Me go and try.
Girl,
Yeah.
I one night I got the dead yard, right?
Uh-huh.
You see some enough big man out there that eyes you. Eyes you. And he's like, you know, look on them, you know, start on them.
What you fuck on them for?
Cute, all the cute boy up the road.
Which cute one?
The tall cute boy up the road.
Girl,
Miss Johnson.
Me name look.
Before you talk to him, look how him cool and pretty and nice.
Me don't want him.
Sir.
Me don't want him. Him not have nothing to offer.
You know,
right
say
now.
no. And a man no want you, no, you don't want man.
No, girl,
If
you
you
have
have-
to
if you have somebody
you have
that
to
got the eyes.
pick the right one. You gotta pick the right one.
Like
Don't feel
that.
like someone want waste my time going in a relationship and it don't work out. Then 3/4 of my life go down the gym. Hold on.
Well, Like if you find the right one.
Me soon find him.
I have the eyes for somebody.
No, me not have the eye for
Cause we there dead yard, you know. We realize that the man them a look at me a bounce if you go, you just itch up with me and my man they like you know want move.
Girl, me no want move cause me no know nobody. Me no know nobody there. What if me go and then that there's somebody they know just grab me and you cause you hook up with your man then you leave her.
We dey watch you no girl, we are watch about a man you good if you look.
Well, next time when
You
you
never
go
go
somewhere then
food.
me go.
All the talk did you do? And near me curry chicken.
So you did want me to do make it waste? Me did I do it people them a favor.
God.
You say if you go just stand up here and complain about me and finding one man, me think you will come out of here because you only think where you there man.
Me come out here there bed. You don't know something.
Where you
me will left this anger my yard. Come here to the right. You need a man. You're big 18 and a half a man. You don't need somebody in your life.
No yet. Fresh me head. When the time right, then me find somebody. Me tell you, how much time I go make me say that? Then me sound like one little parrot and repeat.
If you talk to your mother.
When she come, you talk to her. I don't know if I go and sing. Because when him gamble, him sometimes he not coming back to over 6 o'clock at night.
Sit down back.
Sometimes I me want sleep. Yeah.
See, soy. We can't look here. The dog not about.
You know me, yeah. You know say me not have no dog. I'll be a post there, so.
Me him boy open up. Me bring some banana for you.
Me had open up.
He open up. Me not no gate. Dog can come in here, man.
It open up and a pure puss there. So it have right to open up. Well, thank you very much, my sister. How when you get this banana here from?
You know, say, Melissa Buxton, one of the banana tree, I mean, never know, say, big old bunch of banana tree there on the
banana. Where do you do the banana? Where you get this banana here from? No, I love every two, but me have to know. Where you just all of a sudden you just care banana come? What do this say? You sure say you plant here, Melissa blow it down and you come give me?
You know, so me have banana walk in my yard.
But me
So
no
why
know
you so
if I'm ready
frightened?
for name yet. Me no know, you know. No, thank you very much. Me love banana, so me look.
That's why I bring the banana for you.
Yeah, I know them when I love peel banana, me alright.
You're not afraid of hand steal?
No, me just put the oil and rub up it on
Not
my
true.
hand, peel it and put it in the pot and eat it.
Oh,
I can make
God.
rundown. And it look like you can make some
mackerel.
fish tea with Dr. Fish and Winchman. But it's so okra in there. Hey, and
And
carrot
that's
and
your
your
cook
noodle
tonight,
and you're
then?
sitting there, eh?
You're going to cook it
Irish.
tonight?
No, my belly full and I'm not hungry. Tomorrow, that now pass and just me have one friend. We love, wow, guess. It's what kind of porridge.
Ah, banana porridge.
And not just banana alone he use. He love make oats porridge with green banana in the book. Guess what he make it?
Heavy.
What your blouse and
Yeah, man,
skirt
that's
and make
supposed
you
to
drink
heavy.
it already. He nice with you and he love it.
You can't
You
give me
tell
the
him
food.
him wild. Me give remedy man. Me see him do it and me do it enough time for me yard, but me blend out the banana. I suppose it's the same thing in do, but you know, him and Rasty with great type banana. Me can't bother with that. Me blend it out till you refine. You know, you boil the oats and you boil the banana together. You know, get the coconut milk and dash in there. You put a little nutmeg and your van chop blouse and skirt. Your vanilla in body. Your fruit pan in. Love it.
Yeah, make me hungry.
Right now, I eat me I'll make it tomorrow.
Alright, me I come round tomorrow.
Oats, remember you know, oats and green banana porridge. Bad.
Bad and heavy.
So you
and
can't check
full.
what you just come give me banana.
No, I not just that. Me get a strange dream, sis.
Butter. So we don't know, I just hope. So come on, that's what my sister. You can't bother me now hear you, so your dream say.
Ready now?
Me get a funny dream, sis. And me
Me now hear you say.
you have me torment, man.
What happened?
You know I do the funny business before. Me now go back in the history, you know. But
What you talk about?
my dream say, me just tell you the dream. My dream say a whole crowd are wait for you.
What?
Ready for beat, you know. Cause you take away one white woman man. And you use the same love bush and take away her man. And the woman a fight you for her man, but she come with her crowd. And I'm there pan, I'm there from far, you know. And me just a ball and a couch, you know, run me and run and me run and me run and me can't reach you. And them a beat you and them a beat you, me a run and me a scream and me can't reach you. Well, yeah, you know, do nothing. Tell me so that the dream now go walk straight. It just torment me.
You know what kind of dream I dream? Sugar dream. A sugar that. I got tell you the other word, but I'm not better. Me not bother with it, you know. Me just say sugar so you know what kind of dream me I talk about. Listen to me. You see, look, let me get up.
Come in, know you know, sis. Everything
here.
is what on the bridge board.
You see, if your thing say this here, what you give me, can make me believe your stupid dream them way you get in your brain, sis. You better you take back your banana and go on in your yard. Me no bother want to make it porridge, because guess what? You feel so you can style me with
Oh,
food.
yeah, style you, me come
What kind of,
you.
when you come give me something, now you come and come stir up my brain about dream. And you get, which way to, listen,
Hold on.
what you talking
So,
about?
if God forbid anything happen, I'm
No,
gonna warn you.
When you get them dream, they kneel
Well,
down on
then,
your knee.
if you know say you're innocent and nothing now go on, what you stress out about it for?
You want back your banana or you don't want it back?
It's
'Cause
up to you.
No, if you want it back, take it
Me
back,
not
man.
beg you for take it.
No, man, just take it back, because it come like I say, you use the banana as one little sham. If you can't tell me about your
For a long time,
psycho
you never
dream where
want
you
it,
get.
and I come give you the thing and you
No,
come
no,
tell to
listen,
me, say
no.
like say me poison it.
You use your green banana. If you can't use your head palm with your psycho dream where you get, like if you can't use your head palm. Me not take nobody man in your dream or out of your dream. Don't play with me.
So where you going,
No,
son?
because I don't like them
If
kind
I
of
not-
dream them, man.
Will you shout out to me? Me can control every dream
What you mean when you in your dream and you dream them, they sit about your sister, you get up and box down them the kind of dream there. And you get up out of your dream, rub out your sleep out of your eye, kneel
Me
down on your
remember-
knee and say, Father God, I reverse it back in the name of Jesus, because my sister don't take people, man.
Me can't go to God with that. You crazy? You want God to strike me down?
Why?
Me can't go to my Almighty and tell the Almighty say my sister not take people, man.
So me take
You
your
mad?
man.
So you
Wait.
lie me I talk to
No,
the
but
Almighty.
your
Me
man-
not do it for you or nobody. Hey.
But me and sister, you could have do it and then
Me
nobody
not-
ask that to forgive you.
No. Me not risk my salvation for nobody, you know. And you see when judgment day come, you and mama and daddy, nobody defend me to God. So me know what me I
I
do.
know it's me
You
know
want
already,
the
but you're
banana?
going like you're perfect. Give me it, come here.
Alright, me God.
You see,
Follow
show me
me
hungry,
past-
me I go take it from you. I just say,
Alright.
me take it, you know, come here hungry.
Alright, follow me past the cemetery, man.
Every
You
time
know,
you want me to pass cemetery
Just
radio, that's why you get them kind of
man.
foolish dream there.
follow
Every
me,
time
man.
Look here.
Come, man, can you know, so I'm afraid of rolling car. Follow back, come in the man, sis.
Rolling which calf? You idiot. What kind of rolling calf you talk about?
Just
Oi.
follow me, no, man.
Hello, let me tell you something. You have one dirty style. That the attitude they stink when me not like you. You is my sister and I love you dearly, but me tell you to follow your past symmetry. I want make you want me if you follow your past symmetry so every time. And you know what you do for spite? You come over here late in the evening when night I come down feel left in the night and you know see your friend. Why you don't come
me
earlier?
have to go work. And me say make me come check my family after work. Me not have no time.
And I'm
And from 7 till 7 me work.
Really?
So when me go come check you in the daytime. And then
Okay.
from 7 in
Well,
the
that
morning
is
till 7 at night me
understandable.
work.
That is understandable, me understand what you just say. But if you know say it's so late, why you are come over here to pass cemetery for me follow you? Why you afraid of down there? Why you want pass cemetery so late for me left my yard? Suppose when me I come back sitting on to me make you safe pass, you know, remember look, me follow you.
You're not
to
afraid
make
of
you
ducky like a
and then
me.
when me I come back and me one, suppose something happen to me, you don't think about that.
Alright.
So me love you as a sister more than you love me, mine, you know.
Remember, say you're the bigger
I
one,
don't
you know
tr-
you're
yes.
supposed to protect me.
I
but
don't
it's
trust them the
alright.
kind of talk. Turn up which part they go. Me not trust them talking they mean you're afraid. Why you afraid over there? Question.
You're not afraid.
Answer. Why you afraid of over this
Me
cemetery?
know what me experience.
Look like a some children
I'm-
over there a ball for you. Mommy come take me up while you leave me here. Mine, you know, mine dash your belly and me and we mother and we father don't know about it, no, cause certain things you would tell me, but certain things maybe you don't
No,
tell
my
me.
dear, don't put me in a your kettle.
Me not dash your no gut.
Me no,
Girl, you think me afraid?
Yeah, so nobody put it on me.
Hey, me not
Eh?
afraid to tell anybody say me take your man and me breed for him. One time me breed and me carry the picking, you know me not dash you. I which time me breed again. Why
We
you
don't
afraid to
know.
pass
So
me
just
thing?
like how you don't know if I might picking it up down there, me don't know if you know.
Alright, since okay.
It's alright. No
Big up-
follow me
big
because
up
me
yourself.
no
Alright,
alright.
hold on, Tiger. You move too fast. Listen to me now. You see, like how you're so big, but I'm bossy. Go on, pass it.
You know, sister, me a go on.
Go on, man.
You know, sister, me a go on. You
Me
think
not
say
pay
you
for
want?
nothing to you, but go on. Me not
You know, you think say me afraid me can do
Me
it,
know
you know?
that me might hear you
Me
run
no
and
need you, me no need
don't
you.
run and ball out me name.
Plenty time.
Yeah, watch him. Hear there. Me know say she afraid. I just feel you, my sister. Me follow you. Wait for me, girl.
Me, you left our girl from when you not come back home. I miss you, girl. Oh, God.
Oh God. Kayla, what do you? What happened, baby? Yeah, put all your hold your head on the ball, so you can sit down.
You don't see it already. So might as well.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Your niece.
Mm-hmm.
Your niece take with me, man. Let me take me already. Me want a best friend take with me, man.
Cha-cha. So what happens? So wanna fight and argue?
Me and the fight and arguing just say not going to work anymore. He feel more connected to somebody else. Let me look at my best friend.
My Kayla, my niece.
It's so, but I'm frustrated. So frustrated, like.
Oh God,
Me
gums.
beat me all. I don't know where I go to.
So hold on, may just try to understand. Me not come in your business like that. But me watch you grow up. You and him fight or you do something to him or
Me not do nothing to him. Only thing he say, he feel more connected to my best friend. He feel drawn to him.
drawn? I saw him say.
Yes. Poor man.
Oh God, baby.
Oh, God.
Oh God, baby. No worry. If it's for you, it will come back to you.
He not come back.
So you not talk to him none at all. You not even
Me a
reason with
call
him.
him. He not answer. Me left him a voice note on him phone.
Maybe him just busy right now. He will answer your voice note, man. Him drawn to somebody else. That not sound right. That not sound right none at
I
all.
can't take it anymore. I feel like dying.
No. You just a baby.
Go hard. Me put him all in a relationship. I don't think the man left me like that.
Oh God, baby. Oh
You
God.
go over there, me like you're next one to a few family member.
But me and Shanna the same thing. Me know what you're feeling. The same thing happened to me.
You don't know what me I feel. You don't know what I'm feeling. You just feel like you know what me I feel. You don't know what me I feel. You don't know what me I go through.
Hold on. Everything was alright at one point.
Me and my man did good. It was wonderful.
And no fight and no war, you know, argue. And him just drawn to somebody else, so all of a sudden. Young girl, me know what that feel like. It happened to me. Maybe I hear my phone, yo.
My phone, me. Hello? Him.
Him.
He said over me must stop calling phone.
Oh God. Alright, baby, but you have to move on.
When you don't move out of me yard?
You're gonna make man mad you out.
When you come to me yard for me shaman?
Me come check your mother.
She's not here. She's not here. Let me bar by myself.
Alright.
Oh, no, the destruction family member.
Maybe it's you make your man leave after all.
Oh, no, the destruction family member.
So, like a what?
There. Sit down.
The cabbage in there, what's it now?
You know afterwards.
Oi.
Where I come from?
Why? What a bangang.
How what happened?
Me I come from your daughter friend Kayla mother house. You know, so Kayla mother and me a friend from market days.
Kayla?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me know.
Rotted. You know, so the young girl up there talk about committing suicide.
Why?
Jaja. Boyfriend problems, me dear. Me don't know whether the young people that take it on their head to kill themselves.
Boyfriend problem. And then they try to analyze herself. By committing suicide, she mad. Look how much man they.
No most more man that hey.
What happened between him and him, man? How?
From the bits me could understand, cause she up there chat gibberish. So me have to pick sense out of nonsense. But she has say she and the man a move good. And then all of a sudden, it just start turn against her. Everything she do in her right. Until it not even make sense and leave her, or she not make sense when she me don't know, I know people mix up, but then him leave her and she can't understand why.
Now young people them in no business with them, you know. Cause just when I take up to them story, a terrible thing that you know, cause if you don't mind shop it two of them same one when they hit the on pillow, then turn on back on me and you. You know how you there fast enough for them business so. Me and your sister, you and them how comes you and she related? You and her friend
No, yes, me go up because her mother is my friend from market days when we used to sell.
Look here, take up
So me know Kayla like that. From a little girl, me I watch her go school and thing, you know. I grow. If you know, say, man and mother out.
So she love the man for sure?
She love him.
And the man love her?
He love her. No,
You're sure say the man love her like how she love the man? That you have to find out. Cause if man love you more than how you love them or love you just the same way you love them, why in that straight?
Hold on.
And they'll take up people business put on your head.
Kayla and Kayla are no friend.
Them a friend, that's what them say.
Hey.
So then
How far side is this?
How?
And a mother and daughter business this year. Just something just come to me.
What?
No, sir. She could have never do what you do.
What me do?
No, man, and all of a sudden, but
How me catching on this?
hold on.
Yeah, that one.
No, sis, you teach your daughter to do the same thing.
Like what?
Hey, let me sit down.
What are you talking about?
No
What are
matter
you
what-
talking about?
Same way, sir, you take my husband. Same way, sir, you take my husband. And nobody laugh about it, because you and me know, sir, the same
Murder,
thing. You use
Father
love
God.
push, capture my man. And the same way, everything was going good.
So hold on there. And me, your sister Tiana, you talk about now, you know. It's not Kayla and Kena. So, when me did use the love bush for attract your husband, me did force him to come there with me.
Then the must not obey
He
your
may have to
husband.
come and obey that.
Obey that.
No,
From
I
your
don't obey
use love bush with
fix
that
up
them means.
nastiness with crosses, with
crosses?
real reality things and
Which
good things.
regards whatever you
That-
want call it, you
Hey.
use whatever and ancestors to take with my husband, but I'm gonna hold you up for that.
Charming.
So
Stop
hold
talking
on.
about your husband. I did your man. I know your husband
Alright,
again.
I did my
feel me
man.
now. Yes, me agree. Me use the love bush to draw your man attention to me because Mrs. say him first start look me. And Mrs. say something can go on. So me did do it. So yes, of course, yes. Me tell my daughter them story there. What? I don't know how wicked me tell you how to
And you know, somebody just go look up to God and say, forgive me if I'm wrong.
do. Forgive you if
Me
you're wrong.
know, so me
Then
not wrong.
I know nothing evil me
You
do. So me I go
teach
say
the little
no.
baby if go do the same thing.
I know nothing evil that anybody from you know about the love bush. You see one man where you love and you want him to love you the
when it's a
same. That she
next
panic,
woman,
call
man.
him name and spit pan the tell him bush where you tell you and you walk with left it. Simple.
Oh,
And normal pray and it grow so the bush a grow so the love a grow in a man feel. And that you should have do it. You would have got your husband, me wouldn't have him.
Okay.
And not to be your
And you
husband,
not
I
even
did your
feel
man.
bad. The little girl
My
up there
husband
talk
now.
about unalive herself. So that no make you feel bad. Little
Just
girl
tell her,
talk.
look how much man I look her. Me know how we are talking now. Enough man they look her, but she want man we don't want her.
The man did want her. That is a wickedness you do, man. And you grow the little girl to do the same
No
thing.
man, a man when I want Kayla. Kayla they make up her mind say yes. Me love that
No,
man. The man
me
them will
see the-
love her. She figure through the bush and draw them
No,
closer.
no, a wickedness that man. A wickedness. The two picnic them are going good. And them are
a
hard.
big old how much year old
Them are
girl
picnic
take?
to we.
20-year-old
Them are
girl.
picnic to we. Oh God, man, and yet no, that not right. That not right.
I know nothing evil that.
For use spirituality for take next woman.
I know spirituality, me no gonna obey man, me no gonna science man, no science
So you
man
think
or
so
no
only science man does the spiritual work? What you think you use nature do?
No, listen.
Hey!
No, listen. Nature. Twist it. Don't get it twisted. Just twist it round back. Who make you love bush? Me or you or a God? Which one?
Everything.
A God make
I
it.
be a man, I be a woman. Use
you
no
are
nature.
mixed, but you are mixed.
Me
no,
nah
which
mix up.
nature?
Which nature?
I don't know nature.
Of
then
course, a nature.
No, they use for them evil things.
No,
you know, evil.
don't follow Bakra. Don't follow Bakra because our ancestors use because our ancestors use it and bust them backside and freeway. They make it illegal. Stop follow that shit.
Me nah follow nothing. You are follow. You are talk.
And
you are make you talk. You know.
Hey, a wickedness that.
You want make you talk, you want follow them. Listen to me, man. This is reality. This is real life. It's natural. If anybody, one child or an adult, still love bush, you all can drink. What you talk about? I don't know evil that. You just go and pick it off and you say what you say. And you get the man where you want in your life because you don't want to run up and down and be a whore. What is the problem?
Hey, I was stand worrying that
mix
man.
up iniquity things with them and something.
Hold on. So thieving is not,
I wonder if you know
thieving
say
is
love
not
bush.
iniquity. Eh? You use nature for thief a next woman man. And I got train your daughter to do that same thing.
A thieving?
What? Of course you thieving.
No, man, you're not thieving.
Of course it's
You're not
thieving.
thieving.
It's a
You
man
get
not
that for
single.
free.
No man, a wickedness.
Love is natural.
You're gonna
Love
stop
is
pick
real.
and
Love is no
choose.
fake thing. If you ain't love, if that man did not love my daughter, you know. No care what love bush throw upon that the fence or bush or tree or light wire. No care it grew and he calling him 1,000,000 times. You couldn't fall for it.
No.
He loved my daughter long time.
see
But to
some
draw him
people-
closer and faster to get the attention and all the TLC and them thing there. Have to show you love bush.
That's not right.
You wanna right?
It's not right.
Everything wrong to you. You're going like you're perfect. I mean, you're going on saying no evil, not me do. Everybody, he, she, and the old lady know about love bush. Love bush all can drink as cool bush. What is the problem? A medicine, a herb, it good. It name love bush. What? Where you go?
Intention. Me go talk to Kena because me not get no sense out of uses. Intentions, man. Mother like that.
Where you go talk to
train
her,
her right. I go see if she can twist it back round, man.
Twist back
Ain't
round,
not right. The little girl I talk about unalive herself.
Come here. You move too fast. Come here.
What?
Come here, my sister. Come here. What you just say? You go talk to my daughter. For my daughter twist round what she do. You make it sound like a hobby for you. Let me tell you something. No did this of it twist round. You see that love bush there? It don't get out of control and start grow from the tree where she put it on to bush and gone all from people and all over. That get wet.
Well, she have conscience and she's supposed to
What
still
conscience?
have mine. Oh God.
If she even
Make she
go
get
back
little
there-
piece of conscience,
no,
man.
Listen, if she even go back, you not get it. Charmian, listen, if my daughter even go back there if you go take off some of the bush, there's something they can't reverse. Them there's something they just make for do one way. Love. You know, bring hatred, nor no dislike, nor come round back a one way. So sorry for you and the next one.
No,
You
I'm
know.
gonna talk to her and see if she can even leave the little boy alone.
Leave with the boy. Man don't take care of my daughter already. What is the problem? Why your niece?
Material, man.
Yeah, we are chat about your niece. Say.
Like mother like that, so you know, go
But I know nothing bad me do, so me not feel guilty. You alright, you know, cause right now, me see no man will love me and you will see. And dash me all over Jamaica. To make him love me more. You alright?
Boy, it's a narrow pass, mama. It's a narrow pass.
Hey!
Come on, go up on the next run. But how you do a shortcut here?
I couldn't hold it no more, Rasta. Me tell you, say, I buck up with my sister and she rile me spirit, make all me people come down on me, man.
A piece of na pass.
Me have to
Whoop,
piss,
say me no walking and no piss, you know.
Lord, sir, just blessed water that, man.
Yo, John, no, man. I go and go through the pass, reach up on the yard there, you know. So what do you know?
My sister, man. My sister me find out, say, would you believe? Say, my sister use love bush, thief my man from me and take her and take. Alright? Breed for her and give my beautiful niece. Right? Now she train my niece to do the same thing. My niece take love bush, capture her best friend, man. Now the girl up there talk about commit suicide.
Hello, what you talk about love bush? This love bush argument, I don't understand. How can somebody use love? Can a bush? Well, then say the healing of the nation is bush, you know. What? Tell me more about this love bush, because that sounds serious. What you saying use love bush?
Yes, you don't know, say. We ancestors them. Every bush they are for medicine and for help with in a spiritual way. Them call it love bush because you can do your thing with this piece of bush. It's a wisp kind of bush.
Yeah.
You can do your thing with it spiritually and capture a man or capture a woman heart.
But who you say the mastermind behind you?
And my dirty sister, me love her, but her ways dirty, man. My sister, me just a come from her. She had trained me.
How far she there now?
She there on the wall, man. She sit down on the me leave her with the wall.
Round the corner, round the south?
Yeah, under the bird, under the hummingbird, man. Me I go talk to my niece. Come here to talk some sense into her because the little girl I talk about unalive herself and for man.
But no, wait, man. Why say the love bush work? It take away your man. So why didn't you take the same love bush and play take for take?
You see any man that fool enough to make science work on them and go breed my sister, me no want him back. Him done dipping in my sister well already. Me no want my sister juice and my juice mix up.
It mix already?
In the mix up in
mix back with you?
In the mix up in me.
You keep it in the... But anyway, back to where you say work. Anyway, I know you do the work because you don't use it though. You don't use it.
No.
Alright, you don't use it.
It's good for cold, me use it for cold. Alright, me go to the time me have to talk to my niece.
Alright.
Later. Turn on the right, the left wet up.
Just this person I want to see. Can money buy food.
What going on, Rasta?
Well, me I try to make money love me. Realize the money not love me. And me just hear a story down the road from your sister. I tell me say, you know half a bush where can make the basket never empty with money. Money. Yeah. So me I say no. Then say I love bush.
Yeah.
And more money love me. Right? Because it look like me have money in a malice. As soon as money come today, tomorrow money gone. Money not stay around too long. You know, like money are like some of the girl them when no want me. For then come 2 days, bam, you know, see them again. So have me a money relationship. That. So more how the love bush look. And we party located.
Rasta. What my sister tell us, because it's so, you see the
no,
way you said to me?
Tell me
so
say.
Like she tell us about witchcraft and then sitting there and no.
No. You know say she attack me only hear love bush. And me is a man, me just match it up. Love bush and farm. Love bush can work. We don't want to know how it work and we don't want to go use it for money.
Alright, let me tell you.
US money more use it for. No Jamaican money, you know.
Okay.
US currency. Pound.
We can show you the bush. You know?
I see one of them money there. Them type of money they want use. CI.
Next to pound.
What the Dominican money and the Trinidad money, every money, everywhere in the world, where the money stronger than
that money named TT.
Trinidad Tobago, the TT. Yeah man, them money there. Barbados money there what?
I same thing, remember say same country. They don't go on no road from Trinidad to go to Tobago. You just take either the boat or plane, where you want to call it.
Alright.
Because they're on the road, but I same country too.
I mean know say Panama use US.
I see part them, you know. Trinidad and Tobago.
Alright.
You know like down a beach on so.
Me no know what part me and money, you know.
You see
I no
the
see
island
part.
out there,
Yeah,
so-
I no
yeah.
see part me and money, you know.
Alright, me a tell
And
you.
something bigger than that. Me that want the love bush should just drop right in at the mids and create a bridge. A bridge make me
I
and
envy part two, no man.
no, whatever. Me want the
man.
money, the bush drop in the middle
Yeah.
and clear up that there. There's a thin line between love and hate.
Alright, here I know no. Me no know if I since my sister tell you about this bush where she hear about. You hear about it in a
And
just
the
now.
first me I hear about love bush.
But that the bush there,
But the love
a lot
bush
of
work.
people know it, it work.
It work. It make,
A
it
real
make,
thing,
it make love. It giant love.
It put love together.
Alright.
Make people love you and anything where you want
Alright.
come to you even faster.
Alright. So, how the bush look?
You know, say some look maga skinny, whisk looking. You know when you whisk?
Yeah, me know this.
Yes, it's skinny. This I know it, you know, but me just show you something as an example.
Yeah.
Then skinny like this. This a grass.
Yeah.
So I know this now, but I go use this in a go work.
Yeah.
Then skinny like this,
Yeah.
and it have a orange looking color. You know, orange color.
Yes.
Yes. So maybe you see it already and not even realize that there's a lot
And
of herb.
it grew up on top of flowers like
Yes,
me
man. A
backside.
whole heap
Me
of
see
herb
it
they
and
pan God
wild.
earth and we don't know the meaning
Me
of
see
it.
it a country.
We pass here and know say yeah that good. You
I
see
see
that?
much of that bush that me pass out. Boy, I'm
And it good enough. A real sitting. It a
Sure.
cold bush. A bush if it makes
me no
somebody
ma-
love you,
so,
he can give you
Me no
money, he
care
can
about
anything.
cool, you know. Me care about love.
Yes.
I love me want to know about it.
Yeah.
Good. Alright?
Yeah man, you can do it
Me
man.
think some me pass one little bash out
When you
on
go
the road,
use
you
it
know.
do you know?
Use it day and night.
In
I use it day and night.
no man. No man. You're going to do it in the day.
Yeah.
And when you do it, you got to hold it in your hand like so. Look,
Yeah.
just an example.
2 hand or 1 hand.
You can put in your 2 and it depends on the
One
amount. And you can
mount.
put in
One
your 1
mount.
hand.
If you have whole heap,
You don't have to be wholly because something will go spread all over. Not for than what it in your hand.
Alright.
If you want to have as much you hold in your 2 hand, fine. No
Yeah.
problem. But you can have little and put in your 1 hand. And
yeah.
you're going to talk to it.
Yeah.
And tell
Are you going to talk back to me?
no, but you're going to do what you say.
Oh. Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. You go do what I
Not
say.
going to talk back to you, but it going to do what you say. So it's up to you, whatever you are going to say to it. And
Yeah.
you want it to do.
For me and it communicate
yes,
word.
it a go do whatever you say. It a go do it.
Oh.
Just give it little time.
Fan of love.
Pan love thing.
Alright.
Yes. So
Alright.
it depends on what you want to say.
Alright.
No make nobody come round you. You
No,
understand what I say?
no. Cause when money I fall in love with me, no want to fall in love with me and nobody. I want to fall in love with me alone. Because I realize I love most of my people, them, but you don't love me.
Alright.
So I want to get you a
just
close
do it.
relationship
And when
with
you're
it.
done, so we I say just spit pan it.
Alright. Thank
And
you
when
for the
you spit pan it,
information.
you just throw it pan it.
Alright.
Whether tree, grass, or wherever you want, put it on your flowers, them, or your fence line or whatever, and just make it flourish.
Right now, I no
Make it
offense
spread.
line because when I say a while ago, money, no love, me could not do
Well,
nothing for myself.
go where you sit on land where bush there and dash it on your tree on one tree.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Thank you for the information. I go
Alright.
do that bright and early morning. Cause watch ya.
What
From
me say?
day, me dey on the road now, me make a piece of money.
Yeah.
And me a come with the money. When you pick me.
Yeah.
You understand?
Hey Rasta, remember so when
And last night, me go up on the bridge with a little chum change in my pocket.
Yeah.
And while me a do my thing, one girl trick me.
Alright.
Alright.
Rasta, remember so when you make money, you remember me, you know.
No worry yourself, man. As long as money come, you get some.
Alright.
Alright. Money down.
Hey, my sister, chat too much.
Hi. Yeah, lose part your day, you know. Look how my call you still no reach. You gotta take one. Look here, please, my beg you. Just hurry up, cause you don't miss me. Oh, I better miss you too. Yeah, love you too. You go so strong. You know myself. You never love you. For me, would take you. Come on, man. Just hurry up.
Ah, she did that. Oh.
know what are you for purpose. Are you left willing me? No. So you start I don't know, it must be God's doing. I got it while you come to me. Yeah, man, later. Yes. I love you too. I know too, I love you. Yes. I already said to you and I love you for you. Yes, bye. Hurry up.
Evening, baby, alright?
Yes, good evening to you. And I'm okay, yeah?
Yeah, man, give thanks. Me glad me catch you, you know.
Catch me at the door.
I'm glad me catch you, yes, so. I'm never have to walk all over look for you.
Well, no, but then I'm going to say something.
I come for look for you, for talk to you.
Boy.
I want to talk to you, baby. Me I hear some things, right? And me just come from your friend yard, Kayla.
Yeah, where do I kill a yard?
You know, so me and her mother are friend too. The whole of we grew up
everybody
together.
a friend.
You know, say your friend I'm mad out.
Used to. So my mother would never tell me.
Remember, boy, she talk some things and she upset Kayla. So me have to come address you about it.
I just never.
Tell me the truth. You and your mother really use love bush to capture your friend, man?
I know me. Me tell her say me want somebody I will do it when me and she go down there go through love bush. And I tell me to pick pa bush.
So you do it for true?
I know me never believe in this something. My mom make me go down there. I know me never go in there because I don't believe in this.
Come and know you like that. Me know something wrong with that the story. And a good thing she do, you know. You know, say that's what she did with me.
You know. But I never believe it. That's how a bush go change somebody's heart. I know bush connect his string into your heart. So a bush go change it.
Let me tell you something, baby girl. You see, every bush and herb we think say a weed and fling where them have every use. Medically, spiritually, emotionally.
You better you say medical because you don't think ever use no other word. Medically use that one day alone.
So hold on. In the work, the man not there with you right now.
I don't know. I don't know if man him there one. Yeah, we're talking but we don't know if there.
But you talking with him and she not. It no good, baby. You have to go find somewhere and reverse it.
I'm not reverse nothing, then not backfire upon me. Make it candy. Anytime him, if somebody else want him, if she want him back, he go use back love bush. Simple. Yeah, you not got trouble, then not go reverse. Come here, you tell me I'm not supposed to go back down there. So I'm not going back down there. I'm sorry, everything, but if you want reverse, she go down there, go to a love bush, I'll call back in your panny.
Panna, your best friend.
Like you not understand. I'm not going back down there to trouble no bush. Because mama say, if I go down there, I'm trouble it to wash we coded our horse fat. I'm not want to code that horse fat or rotten upon me. So, I'm not going down there. If she want him, she go down there, she go pick a love bush, she spit on it and call him name on it and she go fling it on a tree. Simple. If she want him back.
No, sir.
No, sir.
And you still got to talk to him?
He might want me, no.
Kena, it no good. You go get bad blessing, baby.
I say go. Well, I'm sorry, I'm not sorry. Because I'm happy. So when she did happy and I both for my face, I made it say that in my despair. She never did really see. So I guess I wouldn't win in a one way.
No, sir, like mother like that. So, me I waste my breath yesterday, don't?
Probably me don't know.
No, man.
Yeah, me I be to see everything go by here. Oh, you know, I see anything happen.
Of course, me want to see me
Okay,
niece
so
happy,
make
but
it-
me
make
no
it
want
right. So,
judgment.
See your birthday now. If I want to see me happy, just see your birthday, man. May I save the whole picture?
Think about it. Every action have a reaction, baby girl. And you not get the man right.
Chemistry.
Okay, now. Every action have a reaction. Me no want the judgment lick you.
Standing reaction right here, because if it was never for my mother's action, I wouldn't equal the reaction. So,
Little girl like that, you had to dash dirty water in my face with. As much as me
and
love
you
you.
come up with it. If you never did want it in your face, why you come up with it then?
You know what? Let me take my leave. Okay now. Me love you, you know. I mean, I want see bad blessing follow you.
No bad blessing now follow me. Your mouth I go put it on me.
How days pick me will feel. I mean, I want you to feel.
You see auntie come up here? We should come board.
I love bush so you come back.
She's a woman terrible. You know, so me tell her, if don't come up here to your come torment your brain and I come mix you up and tell her what to do from where you know to do. And she insists about a evil something me I teach you.
It's just something about friend of my daughter or whatsoever.
Who am I daughter?
So girl, kill her. You say go for kill her, yeah, that kill her, man.
I'd lie. She told lie. The girl now mad out. The girl maybe just in love with the man and the man now pure no mind.
And she heartbroken.
Because I wish she say, so me they say something pertaining to what she say. I with my sister say me as it here, you know. She has say how the girl look like she want to commit suicide because the man no want her left her gone to next woman. Listen, let me tell you something. Don't make your auntie come up here, come pack up here and no foolishness. Don't make she tell her nothing.
I never did tell her.
Chat too much.
You say something about action equal reaction. So I say me a reaction and you next are going.
You know go long. After we not beg her nothing, she figure to go for me and her come from and then everything on me, everything on me. No mind chap, you hear she don't in a way I come chat about this and chat about that. No mind chap, she go hide and do it too. Because she can't keep no money now, so she did top mind people business. She chat too much and she too fast. Always inquisitive in a people business. I'm my sister, but I want dangerous woman, you know. I don't like how she stay, your auntie, but let me tell you something, man. As I tell you before, don't make she come twist up me or you. Me already now make she twist me up. So no make she twist up you. Me now make she twist me up. Cause you know me find out say she jealous. No man where she have cannot stay with her. And me I bet you, me tell you already, me tell you 1 more million time again. So I bet say she hide and go through the same bush just to keep her man. And then try to all of your knees in try to take fear man same way. Me can't stand it, man.
The gold days you know married it. So
Bad mind and my sister, but me not telling her, I'm glad say we are two different fathers. Me not even know sure say my sister neither because you know saying like different from we. My shop then swap all my sister in the hospital and my mother take up the wrong pick me about everything. I can't believe your niece and look how she go on. Like a something bad. Suppose to hear how she go on.
In the come and go on with this.
And I can't tell me how ancestors and a hobby and this and that and evil sit me and teach you for the what me they teach you for the evil. They sit me in love bush. Everybody know about this for a long time. One little baby can take up it, whatever. It's not even for people and just take it that she over there so and so they say and they grow and girl. You're not even to say nothing on that. Just take it and throw it. But you know people will take it say certain things and throw it on tree, bush or any little thing. All by your house stop to grow. Or your flowers them into torment man, you chat too much. Anytime you come back up here and me not there, tell her send me say she fit stop come on me here. You hear me I tell her?
Okay.
Right, you beg too much. And the man chat hungry and killing me and come and mind people business.
What's your daddy?
You clean up your house?
Yes, Dad.
You wash up the plate and everything.
Yes, Dad.
Where your mother? Your mother there?
No.
I can't manage for your mother, you know, man. But anyway, I have good news, you know. This is starting tomorrow. We now have to eat till mackerel rice straight through again. We go graduate the signal you know when you go to school, we now have to cut piece of bulla and give you suck. Put in your back. We know say you go to school you have to hide and eat for your lunch and ray. You know what I mean? So don't worry yourself about that because somebody tell me about one bush named Love Bush. I go use it and make money love me back again. Because you know, before I buck your mother, you know, money did love me. Then you used to call me money cologne. You just couldn't smell money when you see me a roll. And for a few moments dropping in my life, money just makes with me.
So Daddy,
Me
what
no-
you trying to say?
Me I say, that she's a bad blessing. But no, in some way, good part of your mama, he say you come. He say you come in the world. So I don't know if I you, I will put money spend on you, you know. Yeah, will put money spend on you. Cause earlier, when it just born, you used to give Wally for trouble. You understand? So you mash up some things that cost me Wally for money. Because I got expensive place, you lick over figure it cost me $1 million. I have to take money. Watch that, same thing. Oops, I want money card I know. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Oh, me there on the road, you know. How are you there? Oh, your backside, yo, me up your yard. Yeah, me up a yard. Come, me up a yard. Backside, yo. And your mama. You see it? Gina, you want to tell me, say, rare. But anyway, remember, so just go to bed tonight and you pray upon it. You be ready? And your mama cook. Are you not sure? No mackerel left? Or mackerel done? No worry yourself. I go down a shop later, I go trust something. Tonight I go trust something high shelf. Yeah, eat tonight. But where you go now? Over your friend?
Yes, sir.
No time too long over there with she because she a bad blessing. Go on and cook.
Alright.
Candy. Yo, me get the thing, you know. Yo, me have in a man, yeah, man. But what I say to do here now? Yeah, man, I see him place where tell me, say, me come find him. Yo, me have to try something, Me try everything else, me have to try something. Me try hard work, it not work out. Me I tell you, me have to try. Me try it, man. Alright, me have it, man. Me get it, me have it. Alright. Me make you know when the result. When the result come out, me make you know what go on. Alright? No respect.
How long me not hear you so happy? I'm glad for that. Yeah. I know you're a clean girl, I watch you forget them and something. Anyway, I come go down in the town here. So me get 2 patty. What kind of patty you want? Chicken patty, beef patty, or goat patty? Chicken? Alright, cheese? Chicken and cheese or just cheese? Just patty and alright.
Come in.
Oh, go on, yeah. Where mother there?
She gone on the road.
I feel more love the road like a road in live. My road pest. But anyway, cause me and her sleep in her bed and me don't know when she come out. Cause if a man tired, you know your papa work very hard to take care of next one alright and thing. So me I tell you say right now, I'm hungry now. I'm on touch road again. Up on the hustling.
She left breakfast on me.
Should I breakfast me? I'll go feed there. Alright, go.
See you daddy.
Alright. You see my man smart, you know, because I tell him say no, I don't like when the spoon them left. Oh, so everyone I spoon them to wrap up in something. And anything she sure for me to put in. You eat already?
Yes, daddy.
So what the plans today? Because today is Saturday, you know, you try to go to church, you know. You try to go to church on Saturday, Sunday. So you go do?
Yeah.
What you up to?
Nothing, just I don't watch TikTok.
I want to ban you from the TikTok there, you know. The TikTok will help you? Yeah?
That keep me happy though.
Happy? Why did I keep you happy? It help you? It make money? What I feel say, you know? How is school work I go? Because you say your mom left for deal with all them things. You go and good at school?
Yes, daddy.
When I say good, what you mean? You go turn a liar? What you want to become?
A pediatrician.
Pediatrician. What is that?
Baby nurse.
Hello, listen me. No come on baby argument to me, no. What kind of baby argument you come to me with? You want to take care of baby? A baby you want to take care of? Nothing in this house here. Where you can never want...
Daddy.
Eh?
People baby like when they...
You want to take care of people baby?
Yes.
So you want a servant you want to turn with people?
No, daddy.
Where you can never choose one good work? Eh? Where you can never say waitress. Waitress get tip. Me don't know this Peter Trishan business where you talk about.
Then daddy, if you tell me if you go do waitress, no servant, you want me done.
At least you get tip. Peter Trishan get tip. You get tip from Peter Trishan? Who is Peter Trishan anyway? Not mix me up with them words, you know. You know, say me not to go school. Me don't want you mix up my brain with, you know, high, big words, you know. When me say school, you have to say good. And you go and good at school, that means you go turn liar. Me no go liar. Because when me lick down one of them boy then at the road, me have to get a good liar. You understand? Pan the case. So me know say that's good. When you can never say you want to turn one doctor. Eh? You talk about pediatrician. You see you? Look like you want to let me down, you know.
Daddy, pediatrician is a nurse.
Check your name, say nurse. A fool they try to fool me. If you say nurse, me don't understand. But they say Peter, Trishan. Me know about Peter and Trishan them when I deal with. Hey, don't play with me, you know. So you are the good in a school for turn Peter Trishan.
Yes, daddy.
You make sure a man a pick me one come have him before time to take care of. I wonder if you look a friend pregnant. You look a friend pregnant?
No, daddy.
Because you tell me you want to take care of people, pick me, that means your friend look up at me and want to take care of. Careful on that, you know, because your friends lead friends astray. Anyway, I not eat a whole lot of food because money not so nice. I there step on everything and I depend and I'm happy. Me not happy. I want money. If you take care of everything, if you take care of me, so everybody good. So right now, I go down on the road. Look some of this stuff for my lunch. You say eat already? So they have to eat with idea?
Yes.
So my time I know where your mama get money from. Anyway. But I don't know. I have no leap. Expect something good coming anytime soon. Because the telephone what they say I get a vision. Something good go on. Just expect something good. I go up on the road and come back.
Don't put them back that way.
Okay, up on the road. Walk with it. Because if I reach certain spot and I'm hungry, I'm eat it. Alright? I soon come back still, that's something I check about. Here?
Right then.
I'm soon forward.
Fire! Fire! Oh, Zoe, you alright?
Yeah.
Me see the mailman and him saying truck got down, so him asked me to bring this up to your father.
Alright, I'll pull it.
Pulua, I feel your name the penny. give it to your father as soon as him come here.
Alright.
Alright, make sure same get it.
Yeah.
Alright. Later.
Alright.
Boy. Yeah. Wagwan. I go down the road a while ago, and as I walk up and I look at ground, here come $2,000. Right? Me the host man down the road, just go pay them. Cause you know it's a shame alone. You understand? You broke your neck, you have to hold on it. So me go pay him, just go pay. So I don't really want nobody on the stretcher now. I want to want people on the next lane and so. So you want to come in?
No, Daddy, but somebody come here and come give us a coffee here.
What?
Say me and man, you don't know the road and leave this.
So how you open up door?
Because me looking there.
Ah, you had a hearing door. Post I did anthrax. You know name anthrax? Anthrax a drop on the ground. No people don't like your papa, you know. What is this? Oh, yo, me I tell you that, yo. You remember when I got fired to work? See, same company. And the company I work for, something went good on. And my tax return and everything. How much years me got fired to work, you know. And I couldn't get no contact with them. All of a sudden, watch out. I be money. Alright then. Alright. When I calculate this, you count how much?
No, Daddy.
Maybe you can't ever count and you want on Peter Tishan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 and 1,000. Right? 10 and 1,000. I don't have time to check you. Like, oh, they mark it on this. I'm going to mark it on it. Oh, a 20,000. 20,000 for that. Oh, you can buy one car though, I realize it. You can buy myself one car and thing. And I think about it, I dream about it last night, so I drive. So I think so that's the thing I know. I need to get back on the road, can drive and also pick up 1 and 2. Somebody drop them off and then to drop off. What you want out of it? You want nothing? You want anything? No, that's bad. You're my daughter. You have to have something in your life. Use one night start on account, make your mother carry, and this I can buy something for you and your friend them. Save some of it, put in your account. That's how much money?
200.
You know how much is that in Jamaica? It's $30,000 you look on there, so you know. Now nobody rob you. 15,000 for one of them, yeah. 15,000. Nobody rob you. So you use one up in your account, change out the Jamaican account. Use one for your friend them. You still can save about that same way. Because when they come about, invest this year. No tell your mama say me get no money now, you know.
Alright then.
Because you go see the car more surprise her. Alright?
Alright.
I am go down at the car dealership right now. Alright?
Yes,
Not
Daddy.
that tariff. Check out my ID. The TRN. It's the hustling basket, yeah. Ja, must never empty. And so forward.
Alright.
There's a hard smart to be fine. We go over here a while ago and then say, you know, they there. But through more and give you a thing in your own hand. Come here, tell you. You do the thing. And it work. Yeah, man, me have to find money at some place and thing. We get a look of money.
It sound like nothing evil to you.
No, man.
Okay.
It work out, so.
My sister ain't chat too much.
So you just go and hold on for that. Now get myself a little vehicle for drive. You know, like things are change over. It work, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you. And anybody you know about you can tell them to come to me here.
I got the business with you now.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yes. This my sister and my niece use. I'm gonna solve everything. Watch. Love bush. May Jah bless you and remove any negative vibes. Love bush. A Popeye I want. Make Popeye fall in love with me. And make it be the sweetest thing ever. And true long-lasting love. Bless. May Jah bless. I'm tired. Boy. You know.
Yes, madam.
We are stressed out about. You know, see, you're pretty already. Look here. Tap up on the phone now. You see this way you call me about again? Me tired of it. Me know see you not see a man from morning. But don't worry yourself. My mind tell me saying somewhere up the road, so cause when me did it down so. When I shop turn up, me hear some people when they say man them up, so must when they gamble, must see they play some domino or something. So maybe they somewhere up the road. So come on. See you funny.
I promise I'm going to tell myself. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Boy.
Now take it to the pretty.
You ready? Hey, what kind of things you have planned to come in?
Well, I want to give you, I can't promise you the world, so guess what? I can't give you the world.
That's okay.
It's hard. But with you, the love of my life, I tell you, it's so wonderful. I don't know how I'm so happy. It's like you're the most wonderful thing in my life, you know?
God,
I
you
like
make
that.
me so happy, baby.
So I'm gonna take you across the world.
Let's
you
go.
know?
Hello. How are you going on, so? You don't see a woman over there, so?
Oh,
No, I'm woman.
to me, woman, yeah.
We are woman there. My
She's
sister.
my woman. She is my love and my life. I love her.
My sister, hold on there.
Yes.
So all them time, where you come and tell me, oh, me wicked and me, I do this and ancestor, this and that, natural, urban, this and that, and hobby and one person. You did want the man.
Well,
Say you
my
want the
sister,
man.
what is good for the geese is good for the
girl now,
gander.
why you chat to Wally Patat?
Oh, don't touch my man, don't touch my man, don't touch my man, don't do it, don't do it.
Oh,
don't
come
do
over
it,
here,
come on.
No,
you can't do that. It's alright for Una for use it. I'll
going
take
on?
my man. Put your hands on me, girl. It's out for your wallet. Oh, so it's wrong when me do it. It's wrong. Woof. It's wrong when me do it, but it's right when Una do it.
Do
You
what?
know,
Do what?
Oh,
Do
you
what?
not like your own medicine. You not like your own. Oh
What's going
God.
on?
I decided to your auntie.
Oh God.
You make me turn idiot. I decided to your niece.
I
What's
didn't say
going
that to your
on?
sister.
What me do to you?
Oh, you
never
forget.
see your man.
You forget.
What me
You
do to you?
forget.
No,
You
what me do to
forget
you?
who breed you.
What's
Okay?
going on?
The
What's
man
going
never
on?
want you.
What's going on?
The man
Just
never
like how he
want
no
you.
want her. Oh,
What's he
dear.
talking
You
about?
are the man.
What's
You
he
are
talking
the
about?
man.
No, it's
You
not.
are
You're a man.
the man.
I know you're a man.
I know you're a man. Him no want you no more minutes.
No.
Nobody shame yourself. Nobody shame yourself.
What's wrong with
Don't do it.
What's wrong with
Let go. Me no want hurt his
Let us
sister.
see.
I don't want to hurt you.
No, you can't do it.
Oh God.
No,
true. No, you
No,
can't
man.
win. No, leave her alone.
Fight her.
Oh, God.
Fight her.
Oh, God. So, oh, you have to walk
no, alone can
Oh, you have to walk this. So, young people that can do it. Young people, they want to treat your niece, man. Oh, you can
Blow him. Blow him. This time he must have hurt. Don't touch me, man. Blow him. What is good for the geese?
It's an ambition.
It's alright.
Take your niece. Take back to me, man.
Oh, me no want
Take
to.
back my man.
You know, you shit yourself, my niece. Let go, my niece. You know what? No, just like how your friend never wants him. Just like how your friend never wants him.
No, look here, better take back my man, girl. Because me and you are age group. A young girl, they say you're going to take your niece, man. You're walking. You're one of dirty sister.
Oh, God.
You're dirty family. You're not a good girl.
Look in the mirror. Are you me a mirror eyes? You are my big sister.
I'm a
Me just
talker,
like the
what
way
you
you
do.
do.
Your man can't look me.
Oh,
so you're easier.
after you use
So
love,
because your man
capture him.
Yes. Because he want me. So before you take back him and me have now, you're going to take your niece, man.
God.
Your big stink and walk list now.
Oh, God. Are you me look and smell like
What love
You
bush?
see you?
I
You see you, girl? You know, say a long time you know see you stay so.
Choose me both. I know what you do.
Watch out.
Come to choose them and love them, baby.
Of
here.
course.
She's my baby.
course,
What kind of
baby.
choose you talking about?
If choose. Yes, if you choose.
Before you take back my man, you take your niece, man. You big girl.
Come, baby.
Oh, she had not true.
Leave the
Come,
fit-
baby.
Come, look
Let
at
me
my
leave
back
the
when you
trash
look at my
behind.
back. Look at my
Let
back.
me leave this.
Yeah, man, burn it down to the ground, man. Is it? Yeah, man, live and living color. We just had a banana tree, you know. There's nothing in life is suffering, really. So we there try to survive it, though. So give thanks to watch I move it to the end. Plenty more to come. And time will come. So I have to try and wait on my face, that means that things are changed. Alright. Yeah. Move to bigger things. Anyway, man, look at JAMMIWOOD there. Look at puss. Yeah, man, and when animal them they did that. You know what I mean? Glory be to the most I get thanks to life burn down to the ground. Respect everybody out in the world. I watch the movie thing from that time till this time. We are work for the best. I hope for the best, even if I try to go less. You know what I mean? But we have some things in the pipeline coming. So stay tuned. We always say that. And always wait and always stay tuned. So give thanks to that, you know what I mean? We don't know so with the back on the app, man. I'm going to put in some work. So tell a friend, Enough people see me in the street and I say, Fire, what go on? We're not seeing no new movie from when? Yeah, man, we're there up on JAMMIWOOD, I'm going to put in some work. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Forward through, man. Tell a friend. Let's go.